Hello everyone, myself Shinde Moini Kisan, Assistant Professor Department of Horticulture, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirajgaon. Today I am going to explain package of practices of clove, also called as lavang. Botanical name of clove, Syzygium aromaticum, family Myrataceae. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 22. Origin Indonesia. Then next about soil and climatic requirement for a clove. Climate and soil. Clove requires warm humid tropical climate with an annual rainfall from 150 to 250 centimeter. About climates, clove require warm and humid climate. Annual rainfall ranges from 150 to 50 centimeter. It grows well from mean sea level up to an altitude of 800 to 900 meter. Deep loam soil with high humus content and black loam of semi-forest region with good drainage are suited for cultivation of a crop. For clove cultivation practices, it requires deep loam soils, high humus content, black loamy soil and good drainage capacity for a clove. It's about soil and climatic requirements of a clove. The next varieties, Penang, Amboina and Zanzibar. These are varieties of a clove. First one Penang, Amboina, Zanzibar. Then next, seed and sowing. Clove is propagated through seed obtained from fully developed fruit known as mother of a clove. Clove are propagated by seed and the seeds obtained from a fully developed fruit known as a mother of a clove. Collect fully developed fruits from regular bearing mother trees. Dehusk the fruits immediately after collection by soaking in water and peeling. Collect the fruits from developed fruits collect the fully developed fruits from regular bearing mother trees. Then dehusking the fruits immediately after collection and soaking in water and peeling. Prepare raised nursery beds with fertile soil rich in humus under the shade of trees. Then prepare the raised nursery beds with the help of fertile soil and rich in humus under the shade of a tree. Sow the seeds flat at a depth of 2 to 5 cm and a spacing of 12 to 15 cm. Water the beds regularly. Seedling can either be retained in the nursery till they attain a height of 25 to 30 cm when they are ready for transplanting, or potted when they are 6 months old are transplanted after another 12 to 18 months. Cloves are propagated by seeds. The seeds are selected from a mother clove and the mother clove seeds are collected from a regular bearing mother trees. Dehusking of fruits, soaking in water, then peeling, then preparation of nursery bed with the help of fertile soil or humus. Then sow the seeds on flat bed at a depth of 2 to 5 cm, spacing 12 to 15 cm. Then watering regularly to the beds. Seedlings are retained in the nursery when they attain a height of 25 to 30 cm. They are ready for transplanting. It's about seed and sowing of a clove. The next, nutritional and irrigation requirements. Nutrient management. Apply cattle manure or compost at the rate of 50 kg per tree per annum during May-June. The recommended fertilizer dose is nitrogen, phosphorus, potash at the rate 20 as 18 as 50 gram per plant during the first year and NPK 40 as 36 as 100 gram plant during the second year. First year different dose, second year different dose. Increase gradually the NPK dose 300 to 50 750 gram per plant per year for a well grown tree of 50 years or a more. For a first year साठी 20 to 80 as 50, second year 40 as 36 as 100 and up to 50 years 300 to 250 750 gram per plant per year. Apply organic manures in May-June with the commencement of a southwest monsoon. Apply fertilizers in 2 equal split doses in May-June along with the organic manures and in September-October in shallow trenches dug around the plant about 1 to 1.25 meter away from the base. It's about nutrient management. First year dose, second year and onwards 50 years. Well grown trees of 50 years. Then irrigation. Irrigation is necessary in the initial stage in place where pronounced drought is normally experienced. Pot watering is recommended to save the plants in the initial 2 or 3 years. Although the trees can survive without irrigation, it is advantageous to irrigate the grown up trees for proper growth and yield. It's about nutrition and irrigation requirement for a clove. Then next, intercultural operations. Provide shade for seedling. Mulch the basin with the dried leaves. Weed the basin as when necessary. Banana can be grown to provide shade during the initial establishment. Small temporary pandals may provide for partial shade during initial establishment. Intercultural operation includes shading, provide shade for a seedling, then mulching, mulch with the help of a dried leaves, then weeding whenever necessary. Growing of banana plants for shading to the initial establishment of a globe. These intercultural operations include in a clove. The next, pest, stem borer. Smear the surface of the stem and branches with carbaryl of 50 wettable powder at the rate 2 gram per liter of water. Pour quinalphos 25 EC at the rate 1 milliliter per liter into the bore hole and plug it. Apply phorate 60 gram per tree in a soil. Then lip eating caterpillar. Lip eating caterpillar can be controlled by spraying of quinalphos 25 EC at the rate 2 milliliter per liter. Diseases, lip rot. The foliage of affected trees should be sprayed with carbendazim 0.1% or a prophylactic spray with the barbadix mixture 1% also prevent the disease. Then lip spot. Pre-monsoon spray of Pseudomonas fluorescens at the rate 0.2% plus Lawsonia lip extract 5% spray with copper oxychloride for controlling of a lip spot. We can see the image of lip spot, dark spot seen on a lip. Then quick wilt. Affected trees suddenly wilt and dried up. Prolonged drought and water stagnation affect the root growth. Quick wilt is due to the prolonged drought or water stagnation. This is controlled by drenching of carbendazim or mancozeb 1 gram per liter of water in the root zone. Wilting plants should be provided with shade and irrigate immediately. In slopy areas, drip irrigation is recommended. Dried leaves should be sprayed to conserve the moisture. Growing of wind barriers to avoid the damage of the trees. These are the plant protection, pest and diseases. Then harvesting and yield. Bearing starts from 6th year onwards. After planting, bearing starts 6th year. The flower buds should be harvested when they are fully mature, but before opening. The buds are harvested as clusters and separated and dried in the sun for 5 to 7 days. Freshly harvested clove bud and dried clove buds yield 2 to 3 kg dried buds per tree. Harvesting starts means bearing start of a plant from 6th year. Flower buds should be harvested when they are mature, but before the opening. The buds are harvested in a cluster, separated and dried in the sun for 5 to 7 days. Yield 2 to 3 kg dried buds per tree. Then processing and value addition. First one, processing product, clove bud oil. Second, clove stem oil. Then clove lip oil and oleoresin. Firstly, we see first one, clove bud oil. The essential oil is obtained by steam distillation of comminuted buds or whole cloves. Distillation, about 70% essential oil is obtained, which is colorless or yellow liquid. Possessing odor and flavor characters of the spice, finest oil contains 85 to 89% eugenol. Clove bud oil is used for flavoring food in perfumery. The processing and valuation product, clove bud oil, it is used for flavoring in food and perfumery industries. Then second, clove stem oil. Clove stem oil is obtained by dried peduncle and stem of clove buds on steam distillation method. The oil extraction by steam distillation method, the eugenol content of the oil ranges from 90 to 95%. The oil possesses coarser and woodier odor than bud oil. Clove lip oil. Clove leaves on distillation yield 2 to 3% oil as a dark brown liquid with a harshy woody odor. Clove lip oil having a harsh woody odor. When rectified, it turns pale yellow and smells sweeter with a eugenol content 80 to 85%. Next one, oleoresin. Clove oleoresin may be prepared by cold or hot extraction of crushed spice by using organic solvent. For making of oleoresin, using of a organic solvent like acetone giving a recovery of 80 to 22% of the oleoresin is cheaply used in perfumery, and when used in flavoring, it is dispersed and salt floor etc. These are processing and value addition product, clove bud oil, clove stem oil, clove lip oil and oleoresin. It's all about cultivation practices or package of practices of a clove. Thank you.